It's time to go to space. Hi, if you guys are watching this, I just turned 30 years old. Yes, 30. I guess after this year, I'll stop counting my birthdays already, right? That's what people do. Anyway, let's talk about my 30th birthday present from Alicia, which is my fiance. Yeah, we haven't officially got married yet because of COVID. The Kaws Space Gold. When this first released, I really liked it. Not only because Joji's Nectar album protagonist is an astronaut, but because of the history back when Kaws designed the MTV Video Music Awards trophy, the MTV Moon Man, which obviously is a piece that you can only obtain if you won an award that year. Justin Timberlake has 4 of those, bro. Oh, jealous. And to prove how much I genuinely love the collaboration, I actually bought this years ago. This is actually the staff uniform of that year's MTV event, I think. I'm really happy with this present. Of course, the present is extra special when someone else buys it for you, right? If I bought it myself, I might be tempted to sell it when the price goes like 2 times or 5 times. It came in 3 colors: silver, black, gold. As of now, it's generally about like 850 USD for the black and gold, but for the silver one is about 1,200 USD. I guess mainly because the main promotional image of the Moon Man is in silver. But the funny thing is Justin has 3 black and 1 gold, but no silver. Okay. Obviously, gold is my favorite among the 3, but of course I wouldn't mind having the other 2 as well, you know? Sometimes collecting Kaws is like catching a Pokemon. 1 Pokemon is not enough! And also, right, actually for those of you who are interested to make some money, I think this piece will eventually go up in price in like 1 or 2 years, or maybe even higher price if it's longer. So if you guys have like about 800 USD lying around, go ahead and get one. Trust! This piece is exceptionally great in terms of quality and build. Because I saw on social media, most of the people that actually bought one, they actually say like, oh my god, this piece is so worth it. It's so heavy. Yeah, for some reason, the heavier a piece is, the more value you are getting, I suppose. Which is fair, because I feel the same way too. I don't know much about the new ARR Authenticity app, but I really like it because this is probably the first time that I had to use my phone to download an app and then after that scan the holographic sticker which is behind of the original packaging, and then it says that this piece is authentic. So definitely a good addition to know that you actually bought an authentic piece. Unless the people who make the fake version have found a way to work around it to make a sticker that kind of shows that this piece is authentic as well. It's been a while since I unboxed a Kaws piece, so the packaging really stood out too. It's much more sturdy and less likely to dent like the previous passing through Star Wars Astro Boy box. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I have several hype things that I actually want to unbox as well that I got for my birthday. I was actually planning to do a vlog skit video, but I think I'm gonna push that back a bit. Let me finish all my unboxing videos and then after that I'll go to that. I really enjoy unboxing stuff actually in real life. Since I was young, I like to experience the unboxing experience. Does that make sense to you? I think you understand. For those people who watch a video like this, you guys probably understand the joy of opening something that you really wanted that's new and the product has a great unboxing experience. So I'd like to do more of these kind of videos for you guys to watch because I myself enjoy it. So stay tuned. Question of the video is, are you into art toys? And if you are, what is your dream piece? Let me know down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Ding, ding, ding. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I also have a Discord server, which I think is the best way for you and me to connect, talk to each other, and say hi for the first time. You guys can find all the social media links in the description box below. I guess I'll see you guys soon.